Hi there. This is section 4.1 and I wanted to show you a couple of scatterplots and how to interpret them. So here's some data with the month and advertising dollars and sales dollars. So in this case, we would expect the advertising dollars to affect the sales and not have the sales affect the advertising dollars, because advertising dollars happens first. So this is the X variable and sales is the Y variable. So I made the scatter plot and I expanded the chart area so it's a little easier to see. So in this case we see that these dots all fall on a pretty close line and it's slightly upward. So we would say that this is it's strong because the dots all seem to fall on a pretty straight line. I wonder if I go to insert, let's see if I can get the formula for the scatter plot. I'm scrolling down to that FX and it put the line on there for me. So you can see it falls on a pretty straight line. So this is a strong, and because it's slightly upward, it's a positive relationship. So it's a strong positive relationship between the advertising dollars and the sales. That means as advertising dollars go up, your sales volume goes up, which is what you want to see if you're advertising. So if we look at movie data, let's look at the gas bill. Here's the gas bill. So we have our average daily temperature and the gas bill. I don't know what this column is, you can ignore that. Delete that. If we look at the average daily temperature and the gas bill and make a scatter plot from that, insert scatter, we see a pretty straight line. Again, if you want to put the regression line, I'm scrolling down on chart layouts. Okay, so it looks like it falls on a pretty straight line. And the line is going down, so we would say this is a strong negative relationship because the line is going down, and you can see here that's a negative slope. See the negative 3.18? It's a negative slope. If you want to look at this one I found on a PowerPoint presentation, it's a scatter plot showing SAT scores and GPA in college. And they were looking at what is the relationship between SAT scores and your college GPA. Is SAT scores a good predictor of GPA? And looking at this scatter plot, we would say no, it's not a good predictor because there's no relationship. This is a cloud of dots. So there's no relationship between SAT score and GPA. So those are some scatter plots and how to interpret them, and I'll do a few more regression analysis in another video.